I've been wanting to come on all week and I've had the worst cough ever. Finally, I think it might be gone. I don't know. I've still been coughing way too much when I lay down, but my YouTube fam is like my fave. And so I was like, I gotta get on and tell everyone because I'm so excited. So if you guys get my newsletter, you know that my recipe ebook came out this week and I wanted to come on here so you guys could get a little preview of what it looks like if you're interested in purchasing one. A lot of time and effort went into it. It has 60 tried and true recipes. These are recipes that I shared over the last year that a lot of times people come on and they're like, Leslie, where's the recipe for the white chicken chili? Where's your chocolate chip cookie recipe? And I'm trying to direct them to where they're at because I have some stuff on Pinterest and stuff, over on Facebook. And so basically came up with the idea to do a recipe ebook where all of the recipes with photos, super clear instructions on how to bake everything or make everything. Some of them are even just really fun, little cute kids ones that you can make that does not take time or effort, super simple. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. But I wanted to share with you that right now, for a limited time, I sound like I'm on QVC. Right now, for a limited time, you can get 30% off. Oh man, I missed my calling. I swear I should have been a QVC seller. So anyway, 30% off if you use code CHARM. So you just put that in. And the cool thing about my website, because this is over on my website, if you're ever looking for it or you can't find the link or something, just head to charmingabode.com. Right there on the front page of my website is the e-cookbook. It's a PDF download. It's very nice. You get it instantaneously. And it's just something I really like because who needs any more clutter at their house? I don't need clutter. I love cookbooks. I'm not gonna lie. I love cookbooks. But I don't have you guys are a fantastic audience, but I don't have quite the audience to afford production of an actual physical product. But you know what? Never say never. Things could change. You never know. So I thought this would be just a great way to get the recipes out there into your hands. And then that way you have it in one spot. If you're like me, I just pull them up on either my phone, my laptop, or my iPad. It's beautifully done. And so I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. I would love to hear your feedback down in the comments. That would mean the world to me. You know when you get excited and you just like, oh, and that's how your brain is. That's how I feel like my brain is right now. So this past year, I didn't know I was going to do an e-cookbook. And so the majority of the times I would take a photo of my recipes just because if I was going to use it for Instagram or Pinterest. So I was like, wow, I did a pretty good job. I mean, I didn't have professional photos done. It's just me snapping a photo. But I think that's what makes it so authentic. It just makes it so real. It's like we're just people cooking like normal. We're just normal people who cook and bake. We're not super fancy, and that's what I love about it. You guys know I'm always loving to share recipes that are like 2 ingredients, 3 ingredients, but that tastes good. We're all about some flavor around here. We want it to taste good. You guys are my YouTube fam. And you guys have always been so wonderful and always so supportive. And so I was like, I've got to get on and share with you guys because I know a lot of you are so sweet and are just get as excited about things as I do. I love getting to say this about my own product and not just a sponsored ad or something. Today's sponsor of the video is me, A Charming Abode. So down in the description box, you can click the link. It'll take you over to the PDF. I'm going to let you know right now. The original price of the cookbook is $19.97. You put in the code CHARM. That's going to take off 30%. The final price of the cookbook is $13.98. Since the digital product, there is no sales tax, there's no shipping. Your final cost is $13.98. I wanted to be very transparent with you on here. No guessing. So if you want to go over and get yourself a copy, I would be so excited for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed just a little preview on here because a lot of people through the newsletter, they just bought it because they couldn't even see what it looked like. So I was excited that I was able to share just a little preview with you guys. So anyway, Still have my normal video coming out tomorrow, Sunday at 3 p.m. Central Time, but I just wanted to throw in this bonus video just to, when you do something, you just it deserves its own moment. I felt like this deserved its own moment. So anyway, all right, I'm going to see you tomorrow, and thank you again for all your support. Bye-bye.